Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one all the way from Singapore. This is Cup Noodles Spicy Seafood Flavor. And yeah, that's what I'm cooking up today. So let's get to it. I am like, whoa, whoa, it is cold. I don't know that I've ever dealt with this kind of cold before. Maybe, I don't know though. How cold is it? Well, it is so cold that I still feel cold, and I got home from walking, 2.5 hours ago, maybe more. Yeah, it's ridiculous. Yeah. Water to the line for our spicy seafood. There we go. So yeah, today is January 12th, 2024, and it's bitter cold. It's violently cold. It is what, 19 degrees, and when the breeze picks up, wind chill goes down to 8 degrees. That's like what, minus 13 C for those who see things and or see temperatures. Yeah, that's cold. I went and I was like, I'm not letting it stop me. I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna do some walking. I did some walking and turned around and came back. I was out. I did about almost 3.5 miles. Kind of thinking of going out again, and then I'm just like looking at the temperatures and I'm like, nah, I'm good. But yeah, if you don't like people talking about how cold it is outside, then you don't want to watch this one. You don't want to watch the next one or the one after that, because I got 3 that I'm doing today that'll come out in 3 days of episodes I'm doing today. So, but yeah, just freaking awful cold. It's cold. So yeah, I got the kids bundled up, got them on the bus. I was wearing a baseball cap, and I was like, oh no. I mean, I was out there for maybe like 8 minutes. I'm like, no. So I get them on the bus. I come back. I got a beanie. I put that on. At least that covered my ears. Because my ears were like down here, they were burning, and up here, I was like, I can't feel them. Wow. I've got these little hand warmer things. I think I showed that an episode or 2 ago. And I had those all charged up, and I had them going in my pockets. It didn't matter. It was like the palms of my hands would get warm, but like the top parts, like up here, they got like, they were burning. It was ridiculous. And my hands were in my pockets and I was out walking. But once that, it's 19 degrees now, but once that little breeze picks up and gets going, that kind of does that. That's rough. Too cold. So that's all I have to say about that for this episode. But yeah, it's neat. I like to experience all the weather, whether it be 110 degrees outside or, feels like a lot less like it does currently. So let's have a look at what we got here. This is a Singaporean spicy seafood cup noodle. Wow, the delay. There it goes. Now I can see. There you go. That's nice. There's your broth. Mmm. Little meaty bits. There's a lot of stuff in here. I think there's crab stick. There is a plethora of goodness within. That's great. The amount of spicy element to it, it's not a lot. It's just great. The amount of like seafood element to it is over the top, and I like that. There's a lot of flavor action here. If you like seafood and you like Singaporean cup noodle, this will float your boat. Like, hop in the boat, put it on the water, float all over the place. I mean, there's a lot of bits and pieces going on in here. In fact, I want to try to scoop out as much of it as I can. Come on. I'm using a different music mix today. It's like I went out and I did 3 miles, which really didn't take me a lot of time. And so I'm thinking maybe I'll make another like mixtape of licensed music to use for the show. I think that might be a possibility of something I do once this is all edited. This really doesn't need a lot added to it, to be quite honest. A little bit of spring onion, just a touch, and maybe some crushed red pepper, and I'm good. I'm good. I got more crushed red pepper. In fact, I should say my wife got me more crushed red pepper. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. You know, if you're a married part of a couple, you should go do something nice. Or just do something nice for your significant other. It's a nice thing to do. Oh, the music stopped. Listen to that. Oh, there you go. All right, well, that's it for this one. The next one you're going to see is an interesting one. I'm pretty dang sure this came by way of, this came from James of Lakeside, California. Thanks, man. I really appreciate it. This is Saemyeon. Saemyeon means say noodle. Myeon is noodle in Korean. Anyways, this is their kimchi variety. I've got some high hopes on this one. And this one, it literally doesn't take any time to cook. The noodles, like, as soon as you have hot boiled water with them and you stir it, they're done. That's it. You're done. Anyways, yeah, that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye-bye.